Bom dia, everybody. We had an amazing day yesterday on the Argentina side of Iguazu Falls. Today we're super stoked. We are headed to the bird park right now. They basically rescue birds from the illegal bird trade and bring them here, keep them safe. So I'm super stoked to support that. And if you know me, you know I love birds, especially macaws, and they have a bunch of them: macaws, toucans, flamingos. Then after that, we're gonna go see the Brazil side of Iguazu. It's half the size of the park as the Argentina side, so it's a lot smaller, and you can do it in one day. So we're doing it today because we have a flight back to Rio in a couple hours. So that is the plan for today. We are super stoked. Let's get it. Okay, we made it to the park. Wow, 52% of the birds in the park were rescued from trafficking. I'm so excited for this. Look at these birds. They're called the scarlet ibis. Wow. Look how beautiful they are. I don't know if I'll be able to. Come on. Wow. We have the flamingos. Wow. They have a huge aviary. Like, we are inside where all the birds can just fly around. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Look at this fucking thing.
Tanto jacutinga quanto palmito estão ameaçados de extinção. Atualmente a gente já produz elas aqui e elas são tinga, então elas literalmente voam pra lá.
Wow. This is why I hate human beings. This is so sad. Fuck. And it's killing the birds. Killing the birds off. My favorite animals. So sad, man. Wow, 120 species of bird are threatened with extinction. That's so sad, man. If you guys ever come to Brazil, you have to come visit this park and support them. Oh, look at all of them up there. We're going into the toucan enclosure. Gotta hurry.
Oh my God.
Whoa. Holy shit. They're right there. Look at them. Look at them. This is so freaking cool. Look, there's literally a toucan right there. There's like a bunch all over this place. What do you think, Chloe?
I love toucans.
These are so cool. Oh my gosh, look at them. Wow, never seen these before. Got the harpy eagle up here. These big fuckers. Look at these things. Oh my god. Guys, look how pretty this park is. Like, this is honestly probably one of the coolest like nature preserves, parks, anything that we've been to. This is really, really cool. Like, they do a really good job for these birds and animals here.
Oh, yes.
Rescued from trafficking. Wow. This whole family. There and over there. How amazing. Look how pretty these birds are. Okay guys, now my favorite part, the macaws. Here we go. Oh. Man. They're like right here. This is gonna be so cool. This is the coolest shit ever. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. Look, there's some hyacinths, there's scarlets, there's blue and yellow. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is the coolest shit ever. Look at these guys. Bro, this is so nuts. Oh my god. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Wow.
I got the hyacinth flower.
Okay guys, we just finished up at the park. It's absolutely incredible. If you come to Foz do Iguazu on the Brazil side or even the Argentina side, you need to come check out Parque das Aves. It's fucking amazing. All their funds go towards protection of the beautiful bird species. So it's just so amazing here. And it's one of the coolest like zoos slash protection places that we've been to. So yeah, if you're here, check it out. Now we are on the way to the Brazil side of Iguazu. The park here is actually right next to it, so it's nice. We just got to do a couple steps and take a bus, and we are gonna be in the Brazil side of Iguazu Falls. So we'll see you guys there. Okay, so at the park, you just come up to these podiums, buy the ticket, takes 2 seconds, and off we go. We have to go to podium 3 to catch the bus into the park. So let's do it. Okay, so we head to the bus little station thing, and off we go. Okay, kids, we made it to the Brazilian side of Iguazu Falls. Look what we got. So the Brazil side is like more panoramic. So yesterday we were over there on that fucking path on the Argentina side. Wow.
The boat tour would actually be so fun.
Go, quick. Look how freaking beautiful this is. Bro, look how beautiful this is. Nuts. We made it to the observation deck. Look at this shit. Oh my god. This is nuts. Look how dope this is.
Probably here, yeah.
This is nuts. Oh my god, this place is fucking beautiful.
The air, the breeze, the
Everything
mist.
feels so good. So fire, merch.
There.
This is so fucking crazy. We got a toucan here. Wow.
Right.
We just finished with the Brazil side. What do you think, Chanel?
It was beautiful.
Yeah, we talked shit and It's
Well,
really beautiful.
Everyone's saying the Argentinian side was better, but I would say they tied.
Yeah, they tie. They're pretty close. Like the Brazil side, you can do quicker, and it's less walking.
And you get to see it from the bottom.
Yeah, you
Like
get
the
this. It's
full
like
bottom.
more panoramic, and you get to get really close to the huge fucking falls at Devil's Throat. You're basically underneath it, so it's really cool. We also saw a toucan on this side.
Yeah.
So this side, I don't know. But anyways, if you're ever in Foz do Iguazu, or if you're ever in Brazil, you have to do Iguazu Falls. This is one of our favorite places that we've ever been to. It's amazing. So time to go get our bags and then off to the airport and back to Rio. See you guys there. Okay guys, we almost had a tragedy. So basically, Latam delayed our flight by like 3 hours, and they almost delayed it till tomorrow, which would have fucked us because we're in Foz do Iguazu and there's barely any planes that come here, and all the planes for tomorrow are booked out, so we would have been completely fucked. But they ended up working it out. Finally got the plane here. But if you're ever in Brazil, make sure you fucking watch out when you book your flights. Like, don't book flights back to back, because this is like the 4th flight that's gotten delayed, so it happens a bunch here. Just don't do it. Okay, so we landed in Sao Paulo after a 4-hour layover, and they gave us hotel credits, so we're gonna stay in Sao Paulo for the night. They originally gave us a flight at 6 a.m. and I was like, fuck that shit, because our flight tomorrow doesn't leave till 8 p.m. So I just want to sleep, and it makes no sense flying to Rio and having to sit in the airport all day for 10 hours. Not doing that again. So we were able to change the flight to 4 p.m. So we're just gonna chill here in Sao Paulo for the night, and try and enjoy it, get some sleep, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow. Head to Rio and then off to home. So cheers. Bom dia, everybody. So after the fiasco last night with Latam Airlines, we had to spend the night in Sao Paulo. Today we are at the mall in Sao Paulo. We're currently in Lindor. Chanel's looking at the truffles.
There's so many.
And we're gonna do some shopping and then head off to the airport.
Spencer and I found a Lindor chocolate store. They have so many different flavors. They have raspberry chocolate, mint. They have orange. There's a bunch more on this other side here. They have
Chocolate,
dulce de leche,
pistachio.
coconut. So many good flavors. We just bought a few here.
Yeah.
Super stoked.
The next fiasco, if you ever come to Brazil, Rio has 2 different airports. Also, Sao Paulo has 2 different airports. So both times when we flew to Sao Paulo, they flew us into a different airport than we took off from. And then same thing here in Rio. The international airport is GIG. Then they have a different airport, which we're at, which is all like the inner country stuff. So if you ever come here, just know that, because it can severely fuck you if you have connecting flights. So now we have to get to GIG and there's massive traffic. So maybe we'll miss our next flight, who knows. Driving in the train lane. Skipping past all the traffic. Fuck yeah. Okay everybody, we just made it to the international airport. We're about to head on to our flight back home. Brazil, it's been so amazing. Yeah, we're sad, but it's been such an amazing trip. We loved it here. Thank you everyone in Brazil. We're super excited for our next trip, and to head back to Hawaii as well too, and bring you daily vlogs there. Thank you everybody for watching Jet Lag Vlogs. It means the world to me, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, sure.
Cheers!